you're experiencing a cloud save error in EAFC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you connect and restore your game data effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the problem may be on EA's end, and waiting for the servers to stabilize can resolve the issue. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and then restart it. This can help clear temporary glitches and refresh your connection to the EA servers. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of EAFC 25 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and connectivity issues. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Relink your EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can help refresh your account settings and resolve any authentication issues that may be causing the cloud save error. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting tailored to your specific situation.